Good morning, students. In our previous class on chapter Forest and Wildlife, we have discussed about endemic and exotic species. Now our first question is, state the negative factors that causes depletion of flora and fauna. First point is agricultural expansion. With the ever-growing population and increasing demand, more and more forested land has been cleared to bring it under agricultural activities. Colonial forest policy, also known as scientific forestry or monoculture, in which a single commercially valuable species of plant is grown rather than natural vegetation. Large-scale developmental projects such as multi-purpose river valley projects are also responsible for large-scale deforestation. Mining activities, example, Buksa Tiger Reserve in West Bengal is threatened by ongoing dolomite mining. Last point is grazing and fuel wood collection. Example is Himalayan yew. It is a medicinal plant mainly found in Himachal Pradesh. The root, bark, leaves of this plant give a kind of drug which is useful for preparing the medicine of cancer. Factors responsible for decline in India's biodiversity are habitat destruction, that means loss of natural habitat of wildlife, forest fire, hunting and poaching, and overexploitation of available forest resource. Loss of biodiversity is not only a biological issue, it is also responsible for social and cultural diversity. Poor women are most affected by this loss of biodiversity as they have to travel a long distance to fetch water. Poor are also affected by the loss of diversity. Large-scale deforestation results in flood, etc. Why conservation of forest and wildlife is necessary? It preserves the ecological diversity, preserves the life support system such as land, water, air, soil, preserve the genetic diversity of plants and animals. Indian Wildlife Protection Act was implemented in 1972. Project Tiger, it is an ambitious project of Government of India implemented in 1973. The main aim or objective is to protect and preserve the endangered species of tiger. At present in India, there are about 39 tiger reserves. Types of forest according to government department are reserve forest, which occupies about 55% of total forested land, protected forest 29%, unclassed forest 16%. Our last topic is role of community in conservation of flora and fauna. Bhairav Dev Davak Sanctuary in Rajasthan, sacred groves or virgin forest in South India, role of Bishnoi tribe, Chipko movement promotes afforestation in sub-Himalayan region, Beej Bachao Andolan, use of indigenous seeds, Navdanya, joint forest management, equal participation of local and forest department, first of all started in Odisha. Thank you. Have a nice day.